Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the customize the edge lighting on your Samsung S24. So what you want to do is go to the settings app and then tap notifications and then notification pop-up style, and then here where it says edge lighting style, make sure you tap it, and then you can select the edge style. So this little effect is going to play whenever someone sends you a message. So there's a whole bunch of effects that you can pick from, and then you can customize them by setting the color. So there's this little tab here where you can set the color, and then you can go to the advanced tab here to set the transparency, the width, and the duration of the edge lighting. So here you can customize the way you like, and once you're done, just tap done, and that's how you customize edge lighting on your Samsung S24. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.